Another method in which I can record from the broadcast studios is via an SD card in addition to USB drives or blank CDs. So again, I'm just going to choose one of the digital audio recorders, in this case what we call CD-A, power on here and allow a little bit of time for it to power up. And then I'm just going to make sure that I select the correct device. So by default here, you'll notice in the bottom right, USB is selected as the device of choice. So since I'm going to be using an SD card, I need to change that device by hitting the device button and using the jog wheel to select what I'm really going to be using, an SD card, and hitting enter on the jog wheel as an enter selection. So now I have an SD as my device set, and now I just have to actually enter the SD card into the slot here, which requires a little bit of a push, and it will do some media reading for me, and depending on how much material I have on there, it varies how long that takes. I have a blank SD card, so I have 0 tracks and 0 seconds already taken up on this this card. So at this point I should be able to hit record and play, but if I needed to format my card, I would again, like the USB drive, go to Menu and Utility, and then Memory Format, enter. So that's going to go ahead and clear everything that's on my SD card at this point, which happens to be blank, but this might be useful to you based on if you need to sort of clear things off. To get back to the beginning, I would hit the menu button twice. I have a clear SD card now. Hit the record button, wait for my record standby to kick in, and make sure I get some audio levels coming from the board. Once I've got some audio levels, I know that we're good to record. And just like USB or CD audio, I can hit play to record, the counter begins. If I want to create one continuous audio track to be recorded based on when I go on the air, I can hit pause and just pause that audio track and then begin it again. Or I can hit stop, allow the information to write, and then start on a second track by hitting record and play again.